channel. Don't mind my band-aid here. I kind of sliced my finger open, but we won't talk about that. We're gonna jump straight into the tutorial today. We're doing a Halloween clown makeup tutorial. This tutorial is super easy and quick, and it's like if you need a last-minute idea. Okay, so all you need is a black liquid liner or liquid lipstick. Either will work. I'm going in here with my NYX liquid eyeliner, and I'm just drawing triangles. I'm going to do this at the top of my eye and the bottom of my eye, and I'm going to take it a little bit below my eyebrow, and you'll see why here in a second. But yeah, I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and I'm going to use the black shade, and I'm just going to fill that in. So now I'm going to do a little bit of eyeshadow, nothing crazy. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. I'm going to be using the black shade and the white shade for this eyeshadow look. Basically, I'm just smudging out the lipstick with some eyeshadow. I'm kind of just blending that together. It's not really a cut crease, but it's just kind of like a messy cut crease without actually cutting the crease. I don't know what you call that. But yeah, I'm just basically blending out some black shadow, and then I'm going to go in the lid and the inner corner with some white eyeshadow. same thing at the bottom, just smudging some black eyeshadow in with the lipstick as well. And I'm just going in and I'm kind of setting it around my eyes so that it doesn't, like if my eye waters, it won't like, you know, run down my face. Okay, so now I'm just gonna draw a black circle on my nose. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just draw the black circle with my liquid liner, and then I'm gonna fill it in with the lipstick like I did everything else. Okay, on to lips, and we're using the same black lipstick, and we're just gonna fill our lips in, just like you're putting on regular lipstick. And then I'm just gonna extend it at the corners of my mouth. I'm just gonna draw a line, and then I'm gonna kind of create like it's still gonna be a triangle, but it'll come to a point. Like it'll come to a very, very thin line. You'll see what I mean. Just for a more dramatic effect, I take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I just add little white dots to the ends of my triangles. It came out cute. I liked it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this part, but it came out fine. It looked good for a last minute, you know, clown Halloween look. I don't think I did too bad. But you guys, let me know in the comments what you think. I am gonna do my lashes off camera, and then I'm also gonna come back in and add some highlight, and that'll be the finished look. For the highlight, I'm just taking my e.l.f. Gleam Glow palette, and I'm just using this white sparkly one, and I'm just basically putting that on the high points of my face. And yeah, so that'll be it for the look. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you guys next week. I hope you all enjoyed the looks. Thanks for watching.